This is a double closet in my spare room. This is my spare room, devoid of a lot of stuff that used to be in here. Still a bit of clutter, but easily dealt with. There's what's left sitting out from my video making rigging. The Acer all-in-one. Yeah. With the Galaxy S5 and its funky little cord that I can do vlogging with. But back to the closet. This closet in this room was pretty underutilized. What I decided to do with this space, are you ready? Oh, look at that. I have taken half the space in this closet and turned it into a work area, overhead video combo thing, for lack of a better term. I took half of this closet, and in here I took 2 melamine shelves, trimmed them down to 41.5 for width, and 21 inches inside here. Put them on the top of what once was my come on, light. There we go. This stand once was my computer desk, then it became my overhead video shot. It's in here now as support for the work surface. There's all my video making stuff down there. There's a computer there. Stuffed way in the corner there is my compressor. And I just made this space into usable, workable space. I used to do my projects and stuff on the dining room table, but the problem with that was, well, you got to clean it up for dinner. At least with this setup here, if I'm not done with a project, I can just close the doors. As you can see, it's fairly well equipped for a small space. I have got pegboard there. The offcuts of the shelves are shelves, actually. In here I've got all the chemicals and lubricants and adhesives and all the other fun stuff I use when I work on stuff. It's all in here. My old Sony phone on the Klingo stand with the Panasonic voice recorder for small close-up stuff. It's handy. There's my SJ Cam GoPro clone. I kept the little Toshiba TV. It has 2 HDMI inputs, 2 component, 2 composite, VGA, digital audio, all the good stuff. I held on to that. I kept this power bar because it has 2 charging ports on it, which is handy. That one there with the red band is the charging cable for my Vivitar camera. Still in the overhead rig in here. There's a mod there. I'll go into greater detail with that on a separate video. It's still set up for overhead shots. The Hunter Cam cradle in here, it's upside down. But that's okay, it still works. Nice and compact. I got all the overhead lights that I had on my previous PVC tube overhead light shooting video rigging thing. This workspace is actually bigger than the one it's replacing. Down here is an old Dell computer. I have plans for that for the future. Right now it's just sitting there running Windows 7 and Ubuntu. It's a dual boot system. There's all my video making stuff. My boom mic. Still got everything running up here to the TV. Right now, what you're looking at is the Chromecast. Let's see if I can wake up this computer a little bit. Stick that on PC. And there you go. There's Windows 7 for the computer down below there. It's not much of a system to run more than Windows 7 with, but it'll serve its purpose well. And up here, my Vivitar. If we can find the thing here. Chromecast, and there's the overhead camera. Oh, look. Now when I switch this to the camera, I have to hit the volume button to make that menu go away. It's weird. And there you are. There's the view from the Vivitar camera. Overhead. This is the rig that I'm using right now for doing the audio. The Sony voice recorder on a battery pack. The cord's hooked up. This cord here. That cord there. Oh, there's my camera in the shot. Where was that? Weird. A video of a video. This runs into the my gaming headset. The microphone sounds pretty good running through this. Voice recorder. So everything is as it was. The nice thing about this setup is I don't have the uprights interfering with my arms and making things difficult. It's a magnifying lens with light. Got some drawers for stuff. More drawers for stuff, and the pegboard. It's a work in progress. All my project stuff is all up in here. This stuff was all scattered in various closets around the place. I still want to do some more with this, but that's for the future. Right now I got all my junk kind of in one place. That space is difficult to use as a work surface, work area, because it's so deep. The door is offset from the closet. That's why this center beam here is so far over. But yeah, we've purged a lot of stuff. I still have a lot of stuff of my own to purge yet. I have got way too much junk. Nice and compact. This tower here of drawers was always in the closet. I just moved it to the other side of the divider. There's the my ball mount. Manfrotto. Oh, camera just went to sleep. It's sitting up here nicely in the overhead thing. And the nice thing with this Hunter Cam cradle is it's articulate, and well, you can just finagle a few things here. Close the screen up, then you can shove the camera right into the corner like that. I have a splitter up here for if I want to put any other HDMI input stuff in there. But I find with the camera, see that light there, the indicator is on. I need to make sure when it's stored to pull the HDMI cord out because it drains the battery. So I got inputs there for two more things. Put that back on the Chromecast. And there you have it. This is what I've done with half the closet space, so that I have a place to work on things and still do my overhead videos.